Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you in a simple and clear way how to work with images in Google Docs. We are focusing on one easy method, but I'll explain it very well so you can understand how to move images, adjust them, and place them properly in your document. So the first step is to open your Google Doc on your computer. Now to add an image, go to the top and click on Insert, then click on Image and select Upload from Computer if the picture is already saved on your PC. Once you click it, you select the picture you want, and it will appear on your document. Now this is the part that many people struggle with, how to properly place the image. Once the image is inside your document, click on it one time. You will see small blue boxes around the picture to show that it's selected. Just below the image, you will also see some layout options. These options control how your text behaves around the image. For example, if you choose Inline, the image behaves like text. It stays in one position and the text will not wrap around it. But the most flexible and easiest one is Wrap Text. If you click Wrap Text, your text will flow around your picture smoothly and you can drag the image anywhere you want. Now that you have Wrap Text selected, just click and drag your image with your mouse to place it exactly where you want. You can also resize the picture. Just click and drag the little corner boxes to make it smaller or bigger. And if you click Format options at the top, you can adjust the color, the transparency, and also add a drop shadow if you want to make the picture look better. So that's how to work with images in Google Docs in the simplest way. Just insert the picture, choose Wrap Text, and then move and resize it freely. That is the method I mostly use, and it makes editing so easy. That's it, guys. Now you know how to add and work with images in Google Docs like a pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.